Welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of academia. In today's video, we will discuss how to make your dissertation methods and design chapter stand out from the crowd. The methods and design chapter is a crucial component of your dissertation as it outlines the methodology you use to conduct your research. However, it's not just about providing a step-by-step description of your methods, it's about making your approach unique, rigorous, and impactful. So let's dive in and learn some strategies to make your methods and design chapter stand out. Choose the right methodology. The first step to making your methods and design chapter stand out is choosing the right methodology for your research. Consider the nature of your research question, the type of data you need to collect, and the theoretical framework you're working with. Explore different research methodologies such as qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods, or case studies. Selecting a methodology that aligns with your research objectives and provides a fresh perspective will make your chapter more compelling. Justify your methodological choices. To stand out, you must provide a strong justification for your methodological choices. Explain why you selected a particular methodology and how it aligns with your research goals. Highlight the advantages and limitations of your chosen approach and discuss how it addresses the unique aspects of your study. Demonstrating a thoughtful and well-reasoned selection of methods enhances the credibility and originality of your chapter. Detailed data collection procedures. Provide a detailed account of your data collection procedures. Explain how you gathered your data, including the sources, sampling techniques, and data collection instruments used. Describe the steps you took to ensure data quality, reliability, and validity. By demonstrating the rigor of your data collection process, you make your methods and design chapter stand out as thorough and trustworthy. Highlight innovative or unique approaches. If you used innovative or unique approaches in your research, be sure to highlight them in your methods and design chapter. Did you develop a new measurement tool, design a novel experiment, or utilize cutting-edge technology? Share the details and explain how these innovative aspects enhance the quality and novelty of your research. By showcasing your creative and forward-thinking approach, you set your chapter apart from others. Provide clear methodological justifications. To make your methods and design chapter stand out, provide clear justifications for your methodological decisions. Explain how your chosen methods align with your research objectives, fill a gap in the existing literature, or address a specific research problem. Show the reader why your approach is appropriate and how it contributes to the advancement of knowledge in your field. Strong methodological justifications enhance the significance and impact of your research. Congratulations! You now have strategies to make your dissertation methods and design chapter stand out from the crowd. Choose the right methodology, justify your methodological choices, detail data collection procedures, highlight innovative approaches, and provide clear methodological justifications. By implementing these strategies, you can create a methods and design chapter that is unique, rigorous, and impactful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less. Happy writing!